Aloha everybody, this is Cheryl and I wanted to share with you how beautiful today is. Look at that sun right behind this coconut leaf. Hope I'm not blinding you out, but damn, this sun is shining right on me and I am burning up. But this is what I wanted to share. There's something about bees that just by watching them, it's so calming, and just the buzzing sound they make, such a beautiful thing. Nature is beautiful. I'm looking at the bee as I'm filming and I can see the bee has some pollen, collecting the pollen from certain flowers. And even my look at this, the flowers on my gai choi. The bees are all over it. I hope you guys can hear it, the buzzing sound. Anyway guys, I am so glad. While you watch the bees, I gotta tell you that my phone, my original phone I had, it was going so crazy, like just doing its own thing, calling all my contacts, skipping from app to app without even me touching my phone. So I think it's I deal with AT&T and they told me, oh, I think it's like maybe a mechanical issue. So what I had to do was wait for a refurbished phone, but I just got it in yesterday and this is the phone that I'm using now as I'm filming. This phone looks like it's like brand new. Hey, anything better than my other crazy phone? But I got so much to share with you guys. I've been trying to upload videos and I couldn't, but last night I surprisingly could upload that video on my new phone. But there were so many videos that I wanted to upload and I couldn't, because every time I press upload on my old phone, my crazy phone, it would cancel the update. I mean the upload. So let me get right back to you. What I'm gonna do is just show you recently planted plants that I shared with you. The first one here is the purple asparagus that I just planted a few days ago. So what I'm doing here is extending my asparagus bed. You can see here my asparagus And then the crowns, I shared that video, the mini haul from Walmart, and I got like more asparagus. So already you can see, look, the asparagus is shooting up here. You see right there, look at that tiny asparagus. I am so happy. What I did was I just softened up this area, and then I soaked the crowns in water just to soften up the roots, and then dug a hole, and then kind of like I made like a hill in the middle of the, here I can show you, look right here too, look. I better not get too close to the plants, but I'll show you like what I did. So I say like dug a hole, not a deep hole, like kind of like a shallow hole, and then in the middle of the hole, like I made like a little, I'm gonna call this like a little hill, and then I put the crown on top of this mound, and I spread the roots all around, and then I covered it like that, and then now it's growing. Thank goodness. You guys, I was filming the asparagus and I was dripping sweat, so I was like, okay, it's time to go in the shade now. But anyway, update on my pigeon peas. I am gonna start giving this away when it gets a little bit bigger, but you can see that most of them came up. Just this two didn't come up. This one looks like it's coming up. You see that green on the side? And then what I did was started more, because I think there's a lot of people that would love pigeon peas, especially the plant, and then they can harvest for ganduri rice. But all I did was just put all the seeds down, pressed it in, and then voila, it all came up. Look at how beautiful. Looks like a mini pigeon pea orchard in a container. But isn't that beautiful? I might even start maybe even selling some, because I have so much, and if I wanted to start more I can, because I have a lot of seeds that I collected, and you know, it's just awesome. I cover it, like I just put this over just so the chickens don't scratch on it and mess it up. And then in this container, before I started like a Swiss chard, and again I'm covering it because the chicken's gonna scratch the newly planted plants. But so only one Swiss chard came up, so I had some seedlings of the kale, so I just planted them in there. You can see them coming up. Guys, look at the hen and her baby chickies helping themselves to my hilltop tomatoes. They are munching on the tomatoes. I'll share with them. Look at that, she's eating a ripe tomato, feeding it to her babies. How cute. That is so precious. Look at the chickies, they're sharing that ripe tomato. Look, Look at that one right there. She's carrying the tomato. Oh, up the hill they go, finding for more ripe tomatoes.